You know what silently kills conversions on a WordPress site? It's not bad design, it's not tweak copy. It's slow backend performance. And here is the thing. Most managed hosting providers have been patching the same old server architecture for years. They tune it, they tweak it, but at some point, patches stop working. That's exactly the problem Cloudways decided to actually fix. They didn't just update their stack, they threw out the old one entirely and rebuilt it from the ground up. It's called the Lightning Stack, and the numbers behind it are genuinely worth talking about. So, what actually changed? Cloudways has been running what they call hybrid stack, which was built on Apache. It worked fine for years, but as websites got more dynamic, more transactional, more data heavy, Apache started showing its limits. Think about a WooCommerce store during a flash sale, or a membership site with hundreds of people logging in at the same time. Every single one of those requests need to be processed in real time. You can't just cache your way out of it. The Lightning Stack replaces all of that with a fully NGINX and PHP-FPM based architecture. If you're not a server nerd, what that basically means is requests get handled faster, more efficiently, and without spiking your server's CPU every time traffic jumps. It's a fundamentally different way of doing things. Now, I know up to X% faster can mean basically nothing in hosting marketing. So, let me give you the actual numbers from independent testing. Cloudways partnered with a third-party benchmarking firm called Coder.io to run real workload tests, not synthetic lab stuff. Here's what they found. Up to 65% faster response times for dynamic workload. Up to 33% faster WordPress admin load times. Yes, your dashboard. Up to 54% more requests handled under uncached stress tests. And this one I found particularly interesting, up to 58% more successful WooCommerce checkout. Think about that for a second. Not just faster page loads, more of your transactions actually completing without timing out or erroring under load. And for the LearnDash, the popular LMS plugin, throughput was up 85%. These aren't marginal gains. These are the kind of numbers that actually move the needle for a business. Now, if your site is a basic blog that gets few hundred visitors a month, honestly, you might not feel the difference day to day. But if you're running a WooCommerce, especially if you do any kind of sale events or seasonal spikes, this matters a lot. Same goes for LMS platforms, membership sites, booking systems, anything where users are actively interacting with your backend in real time. The Lightning Stack was specifically rebuilt for those kind of workloads. Sites that can't rely on full page caching to cover every request. One more thing worth noting, this is available to all Cloudways users at no additional cost. Same plan, same price, you just switch it on. And switching is genuinely painless. This is not a migration project. You go into your Cloudways platform dashboard, navigate to your application settings, click over the stack setting tab, select Lightning Stack, and hit update. That's it. Takes under a minute, no downtime. One thing to be aware of, the Lightning Stack is fully NGINX based, which means it doesn't support Apache.htaccess file. If your site relies heavily on custom htaccess rules, there is a workaround called web rules built right into the Cloudways dashboard that covers about 80% of common use cases. If your setup is more complex, you might want to test on staging clone first before pushing live. But for most sites, you hit update and you're done. The Cloudways Lightning Stack is a real architecture improvement, and the benchmark results back that up. If you're already on Cloudways, go flip the switch today. It costs you nothing. And if you're not on Cloudways yet, The link in the description gets you 25% off. Use the promo code there as well. Alright, that's it for this one. If this was helpful, drop a like, it actually helps a lot, and I catch you in the next one.